Hi everyone, welcome to another video brought to you by RayonGroup.com. Today in front of us we have a fully assembled compatible um, RBC43 battery kit for your APC battery backup unit. Now we're going to be talking to you today as to what makes this RBC43 compatible battery kit different and why we believe it's the best compatible kit you can buy on the market today. So first, let's start off. This metal tray here, along with all of the wiring harnesses inside that are used to connect the batteries together, are brand new. They're not refurbished, they're not pulled out of another unit. You'll be the first customer to be using this fully assembled kit. The tray, wiring harnesses, everything is brand new. Now this is important because especially the wiring harnesses, they are under load and they are bent, and if you refurbishing it, you could pull it on the cables and things like that. The terminal leads do tend to come off over time. The wires tend to get frayed over time, and there's a fuse in here, and if that gets blown, regardless of if it hasn't been replaced or anything, it's even if your batteries are good, the whole unit will not work if the fuse is not good. So we just go ahead and avoid all those points of failures, and we basically start from scratch. We use brand new tray, we use brand new fuses. There's actually only one fuse in there. We use brand new fuse, and we use brand new wiring harnesses just to eliminate any points of failure in the system. Next is the battery. This is a big difference maker. So we use the Rayon Power RG126-22HR. It's a 12 volt, 5.5 amp hour, high rate discharge battery rated at 22 watts per cell. This makes a big difference because, like I said, this is a high rate discharge battery. It's meant to deliver a lot of current to be able to support all the equipment connected to your UPS units. So you spent a lot of money for these UPS units. You have a lot of expensive equipment like servers and things like that connected to it. And during a power outage, you want to be able to rely on a battery to be able to keep your business running, your equipment running without any points of failures. So this battery here is a high rate discharge battery specifically designed for UPS applications. The standard battery that comes inside from the factory is a 5 amp hour. This is a 5.5 amp hour, so you can expect a little bit of longer run time as well from this battery. Now we're going to leave a link down below in the description to buy a fully assembled kit from us. So basically pull it out of the box and you just install it. Super simple, just 3 bolts here to take it out of the unit and then install it back in the system and then connect it back up. Super simple, less than a 5-minute install process by buying it fully assembled from us. Or if you want to go ahead and just replace the batteries yourself, you will leave a link down below in the description for buying these batteries from us as well. They both are competitively priced, and you're going to get a good, regardless of what option you go and you install it properly, you're going to get a good bang for your buck there as well. We also take a voltmeter after the installation process, and we check the polarity on the plug is proper. The worst thing you can do is have an incorrect polarity connected into your system, and you are going to blow basically the fuse, potentially batteries. You're going to have catastrophic failure down the line. So we test the polarities of the terminal leads, and we also have a whole room full of APC units that accept these types of RBC 43 kits. We install them, put it in the system, make sure that they charge well, that they are fully charged before we ship, and we also run a load test on it. That way, because we test it with APC equipment that accept this, you're going to be ensured that when you receive this, it's going to be basically plug and play. You're going to be ensured that this has already been tested to an equipment that matches the specs, and that this functions properly. So this is why we believe that this is the best APC RBC43 kit that you can buy in the market. It's very competitively priced at this time the video is released. And like I said below, there's going to be a link in the description down below for both the batteries and the fully assembled kit. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.